Guys, I will die on this Thursday's dump, Wednesday's pump hill. So today we obviously sold amazing puts on QQQ and SPY. It is already 8:17 a.m. Pacific time, and I'm already up 120% on some of my day trades with QQQ and SPY. And I've honestly came to this conclusion because every 100 days I do a challenge of day trading. It is another 100 days today, July 11th, and I have realized that Thursdays will forever be dump days, and Wednesdays will forever be pump days. The best days for me for trading are Wednesdays, Thursdays, and some Mondays. Like, you could literally make all your money on a Wednesday and Thursday and never have to trade ever again. Anyway, so when today I was up at 6:30 in the morning. Actually, I was up at like 6:50. I woke up kind of late. I keep waking up late. I don't know why, because I stay up so late all the time. Anyway, yeah, Thursday, right at 6:30, everything started dumping. By the time it was 7:30, I was out of here. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the trade of the day. This is actually live, so we're on the 5-minute chart for QQQ. All I'm doing is marking my alerts. So the lowest that I think it will go, well, this is what I thought at 7 o'clock in the morning. The lowest I thought it would go was 500. So I was in a trade. I got in around 499 and I left like around 496, or maybe I got in at 501, I think. It was a quick trade for me. I wrote down that long candle all the way down to the green doji, and then I sold at the doji. And the reason why I sold at 120% profits is because I always stick to my strategy no matter what. A lot of traders end up losing or blowing out their entire account because of greed and fear. And if you stick to your psychology, which comes with emotional discipline and emotional intelligence, you will do much better as a day trader. So the entire market is dumping, which is what I'm showing here. QQQ went from 502, 503 to about 492. It's like about an $11 decline. So that was pretty good if you're a bear today. And me, I react to the market. I'm a bull whenever, I'm a bear whenever. And as you can see here, everything kept falling. And just like Tesla, we're going to take a look at SPY and Tesla next. I did exit my Tesla position. Let's take a look at SPY first. I also did a SPY trade. Obviously, I did a put. I got in like around 6:55, 7 a.m. And once I saw that extra long candle at market open, I knew we are having a typical Thursday where we dump. Now let's take a look at Tesla. I had to exit my position on Tesla for 2 reasons. First up, Twitter was saying how whenever Tesla reaches an all-time high of like 260s, it typically dumps like it did last year. And we had some news where robo-taxi will not be rolled out until October. So we had the highest tech stock sell-off since 2022, and I was definitely part of that sell-off. When the contract for the options obviously lose value, you can always repurchase. But with Tesla, I was up 400% year to date, and I had to end up selling at about 220% ROI. And I am not Roaring Kitty. I don't go against the hedge funds at Wall Street. I just mimic them. I copy what they do. So if everyone is dumping, guess what? I'm dumping right along with them. Because my thing is, you can dump and then buy back when it's low, because the option contracts start to lose value depending on the direction the price is going. We ended up being in a consolidation period with QQQ, so I definitely assumed that we would have a pump up before we keep declining. I guess we're going to talk about what happened today. It's 12:43 p.m., so let's do a quick little recap. Okay, so like the hill I'm on, Thursdays are for dumping. That's right. So the stock market pretty much dumped. But what else is new? Today also marks my another 100 day of trading. Every 100 days that I trade, I like do something exciting. Anyway, so yeah, QQQ was printing those profits for us today. I'm not gonna lie, like I definitely had a little bit of FOMO because I'm like, There is no way this is going to keep dumping. Do you understand that it went from $503 to $492? That's like an $11 decline. The puts were at a 3,500% return. I'm not gonna lie, I missed out on thousands of dollars today. Now, am I upset? Not really, because I followed my strategy. This is how most traders quit when they lose their entire account. With me, I had already hit 120% profit by the time it was 7:55 in the morning. So I sold before I went to work, but I was still watching. So I'm gonna make a video to show you guys all of the options that I have on my watch list, because those are the ones that I actually played today. And then I just watched them, how they perform for the rest of the day. And $13 could have been $600. That's all I'm gonna leave it at. So stay tuned for the next video. Today was a great day. Per Thursdays, we love Thursdays. Thursdays are for bears, so you can call me a bear today. Alrighty, now let's take a look at the famous watch list that I've been talking about. First up, we're going to take a look at all of the calls that lost money, and we're going to delete them. I did not buy any calls today because I just knew. I mean, it's Thursday. Why would I ever do that? Tesla, we had... No, not Tesla. QQQ. Let's go to QQQ. I had this $4.96 put. It was only $13 for one contract. It was up 3,500% just for one contract. Obviously, like I always say, you get the cheaper contracts and you buy multiples. So like 50 contracts alone of this specific option would have been over $10,000 today. Here's another QQQ put that was $53 at the time I added it. All of these are 0 DTE and it had a 1,500% ROI. Here's another one that was $54 when I added it and it has a 566% ROI. All of the puts were just printing out the best profits today. As you can see, everything in red is mainly a call. I did try to short Tesla a little bit if I could. Overall, Thursday was great. Thanks for watching. Bye.